have a question for you. Drop it below. Have you ever spent half of your Saturday, or maybe all Saturday, cleaning, the music blaring, yelling at everyone, or was that just me? Because people would be miserable when I spent an entire Saturday cleaning. And then I would look around on Sunday afternoon and wonder, how is this house messy again already? That used to be my life in a nutshell. I actually used to think I hated cleaning. Now looking back, I really just hated that feeling like I was never done, or like everything that I had worked hard for was undone in about 5 minutes. I would spend hours cleaning, and then those two teenage boys could come in and undo it all. It was so frustrating, and trust me, my family was miserable when I would go through that. And eventually I realized something. I didn't need to become a better cleaner. I didn't need to hire a house cleaner. I needed a better system because I finally realized that a clean house is just not built in one day. It's built in these little 5-minute resets where I can fit it in with the rest of my life. And that's really what today is all about. Now, people sometimes assume that because I teach cleaning and healthy homes, that my house must be perfect and spotless all the time. And trust me, it isn't. I have 2 teenage boys, a husband, a husky that sheds enough to knit a whole entire another husky. And then I have 5 grandkids who love that every room is a playroom here. I have an old cat who has all the old cat problems. So if you're hoping I'm gonna show you a magazine perfect Pinterest house, I'm probably gonna disappoint you. My goal isn't a perfect house. My goal is a house that is easy to maintain. And those are very different things. And the good news is we don't need more hours in the day to get it done. And we definitely don't need an entire Saturday. We just need a few simple systems that actually work. Now I'm gonna show you my cleaning closet. This is where I keep all of my supplies. And there's no lock on here, which I love. So I just have my Norwex cloths, I have my Enviro cloths and window cloths, an entire basket dedicated to scrubbies, and then a few concentrated cleaning products that are non-toxic, don't make my hands completely rough and cracked, and I just grab things from here when I'm ready to go. Changes I've made over the years has nothing to do with buying better products or products that smelled stronger. It was really just changing the way I thought about cleaning. I used to believe that a cleaning product had to smell strong to work and that cleaning had to happen all at once. You guys know what I'm talking about. The kind of day where the music's blasting, there's buckets everywhere, hours spent cleaning the whole house. And then by the end, everyone was so exhausted. I was exhausted because I was doing it. They were exhausted because I was doing it. And nobody really wanted to help me because it wasn't the most joyful time. I mean, that is how I used to clean. But I stopped that years ago and now I clean completely different. 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there. I'll tidy up while I'm cooking dinner. I'll tidy a room when someone's in the shower, straighten things up while I'm brewing coffee. 5-minute resets instead of 5-hour cleaning days brought me so much peace and joy. That one change has saved me more time than anything else. And somehow my house stays cleaner than it ever did when I spent entire Saturdays cleaning. I want to show you my favorite tools for a 5-minute reset in the kitchen. An Enviro cloth, wet with water, removes 99% of bacteria from the surface. You don't need anything else with the Enviro cloth. It will clean every surface in your house. It's fantastic. A window cloth. I'll use this after the Enviro cloth on anything shiny. So granite, stainless steel appliances that are always getting fingerprints. These two are magic on anything shiny. And then when I've built up, I use that power cleaning paste. And then because we do have a lot of textured surfaces in our kitchen, the granite, hardwood floor, etc., I always have a bottle of the multi-purpose everyday cleaner. This is the concentrate. It's diluted in a spray bottle. I have one of these under my kitchen sink. So whenever I need to do a quick cleanup, I'll just give the surface a little spray and then I'll use that Enviro cloth to clean it off. The probiotics in here get down into the cracks and crevices of our surface and help clean them out, things where we can't normally reach. But also, the probiotics continue working for up to 7 days to destroy newly introduced bacteria, which also keeps things cleaner. Now, if I run into a little mess while I'm cooking, doing dishes, something like that, I will also grab one of these cloths. So this is the kitchen cloth. This is a hard-working cloth in my kitchen. I always have one hanging and nearby. I'll just get this wet with water, wipe things up very quickly. Also, the counter cloths have completely replaced paper towels for us. These two have been great for those quick cleanups, little spills, all the things. Let's talk about dusting. Never one of my favorite chores. It used to take so long. I used to have to buy all the products that were expensive and then left my surfaces greasy. I use this now. Quick cleanups. I emptied this shelf off. Let's see what dust we have. And this is how easy it is to dust down. So fast, just a little wipe is all it takes. One less thing I have to buy. And you can see it's starting to get a little dirty. And then I'll just put my stuff back on. That took what, 30 seconds? So fast. You can use this on all the surfaces. It's so satisfying seeing that on there. In bedrooms, bathrooms, anywhere where dust accumulates, lampshades, desk, windows, you name it. Now, if there's any hard to reach items, I'll use this dusting wand, the Enviro wand. This is great for anything that's up high. Also, air return vents does a great job there. Maybe a cobweb or two. And notice, no ladder required. Now, someone ever asked me, what is the fastest room in the house to get out of control? I would for sure say the bathroom. And truth be told, there are still days I wish I could put Cheerios in the toilet bowl to teach the teenage boys how to aim. But that's probably another workshop. Bathrooms used to be the room I avoided the longest and probably dreaded to clean the most, which only meant one thing. By the time I finally cleaned them, they were a disaster and they took me forever. Now I spend about 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there. That's it. Not because I'm trying to rescue a disaster anymore. I'm just doing another quick reset. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite tools for cleaning all of my bathrooms. So I love this all-in-one bathroom cleaner. It is one of my favorites because it tackles soap scum, hard water, and just all of those everyday messes without that overwhelming chemical smell, which used to give me headaches. Now we have really, really hard water here. So I love that this contains a natural descaling ingredient that's non-toxic, unlike the cleaners I used to use years ago. Plus, bonus, it doesn't leave my hands feeling dry and cracked. I like using it with my Enviro cloth or one of my scrubbies. Together, they make bathroom cleanup really simple. And this comes with 3 little sachets. You just pour in a spray bottle and top it off with water to the top. I probably need to do that. So I'm gonna use this and show you how easy it is to do a 5-minute reset in the bathroom. Number 1, I will spray my sink, the fixtures. And while that's sitting, I'll just use my Enviro cloth and window cloth. All of the toothpaste, makeup, if anyone uses hairspray, boy, that can be a mess to get clean. After my Enviro cloth, I use the window cloth. So with these cloths, I'm removing 99% of bacteria from the surface. So I know that the bathroom is nice and clean, and since the bathroom is such a small space, you don't want to use products that impact our breathing and our respiratory health. And then for the sink, I'll really just do the same thing. I'll use that Enviro cloth, get all around the sink and the sink fixtures, and anything that's shiny, I'm gonna go back with my window cloth. I'll get the sink, get all that toothpaste filled up, and the fixtures are shiny, and this is a nice clean. How fast was that? So fast, so easy. In addition to the all-in-one bathroom cleaner, I always have the cleaning paste on hand just because I never know when I'm gonna need to do a deeper scrub, maybe use one of my scrubbies to clean the tile and grout. Another non-cleaning essential that I love for the bathroom is the chenille hand towel. These are fantastic. They have this little loop so that once they're fastened, they do not fall on the floor, which is great. And they do remove 99% of bacteria when we're drying our hands. I love that when my young granddaughters are here washing their hands at our sinks. I have one of these at every sink, and it has silver in it. So one of the things I used to hate about traditional cotton towels is that they would smell, especially in bathrooms where airflow isn't good. And that was from mold, mildew, and bacterial growth. The Norwex cloths, both the cleaning cloths and then other goodies, have silver in them. Silver is a natural antibacterial, it's a natural antimicrobial. So I'm never gonna get mold and mildew smells, those bacteria smells from our cloths. And every time we use them on our skin, we're not transferring any bacteria back to us. Another, we're already in here, let's talk about the least most glamorous job many of us have, and that's toilets. So I'm just going to show you the 3 things that I use. This is the EnviroCloth. It's wet with water. I have the all-in-one bathroom cleaner diluted in this spray bottle. And this is my cleaner dispensing toilet bowl brush. You guys, my hand has not been inside a toilet for over 5 years. How great is that? So when I'm cleaning the bathroom, I will use this because it gives it a really deep clean. And if you have urine spray around the base of your toilet, that can be a big source of odor in the bathroom. So sometimes even when we go to mop, we're mopping the surface, but a lot of times that urine gets trapped down in the tile and grout or down in the hardwood. This helps get it out, loosen it up, and it helps prevent a lot of odor. And then I use a dedicated EnviroCloth for toilets. When I'm ready to do the inside, I use the soap dispensing toilet bowl brush. So with this, we've got the toilet bowl brush itself and this nice base. Something I really like about this is that Norwex infused this and the base with silver. So this is never gonna get smelly, bacteria cannot grow, no mold, no mildew, so you're not gonna have source of odor coming from your toilet bowl brush, which is fantastic. The brush also dispenses the toilet bowl cleaner directly in the toilet bowl with a push of a button. So I just take the lid off my spray bottle and I pour the all-in-one bathroom cleaner directly into the handle. And when I'm ready to clean, I'll just push the button. It will dispense the perfect amount. I only do 1 little pump because all Norwex concentrates are super concentrated. You only need a little bit. And then I'll just go around and get the inside of that toilet clean. Or under the lip here, I will just hold it more at a 90-degree angle, and it does a great job getting under that lip. If there's one product I never thought I could get excited about, was a mop. I never saw that in my bingo cards, guys. But this one completely changed the way I clean my floors. This is the dry mop pad. I use this one first. It replaces the broom. It picks up and holds on to dust, dirt, crumbs, pet hair, my hair, all the things. And then you just use a rubber brush to clean it off, throw it in the washer when it's dirty. And after I'm done with the dry mop pad, I use the wet mop pad, which I have on here, and I'll just glide it across my floor, and that microfiber pad picks up everything. The dirt, the footprints, bacteria, all the things on my floor that need to be cleaned regularly. And I love how fast it is. I can do any room in my house, 2 to 5 minutes max. You know, the reason I fell in love with this mop actually has nothing to do with cleaning. It has to do with our Husky. Our Husky buddy was super young when we first brought him home. And one day he came in the house from outside after it had been raining. I mopped the floor like I always did. And a little while later, he started licking his paws. And then he started chewing on his paws. And I remember thinking, wait, he just walked across my freshly cleaned floors. And that was honestly the moment it really hit me. If he's licking his paws, he's licking whatever I just cleaned my floor with. So I honestly started looking for another way to clean the floors without all the chemicals. And then I had more grandbabies come along, and it was just peace of mind that what they were walking on or crawling on wasn't going to contaminate their skin with anything to cause any issues. And that little choice gave me peace of mind, but it also saved us a boatload of money because I used to buy boxes from Costco of these disposable pads, and then I always had to make sure I had the solutions in stock. Now I just use this and wash the mop pads when they're dirty. If someone had opened this cabinet 6 years ago, they would have found bottles everywhere, most with warning labels, others with skull and crossbones on them, a different cleaner for every single job in the house. And in many cases for me, I had multiple cleaners for the same job because I just wasn't happy with how things worked. One for the glass, one for the stainless, 1 or 10 for the floors. I honestly thought that's just how cleaning worked. Today it looks completely different. I don't have a different product for every surface of my home anymore. I have a handful of simple tools that work throughout the entire home. This is what Norwex calls the Safe Haven 5. These are the products that I find myself reaching for most. the Enviro cloth, the window cloth, that cleaning paste, dusting mitt, a little bit of detergent that doesn't cause a lot of skin allergies. I'm able to reduce clutter under my sinks, make cleaning so much easier. And here's another little habit that made a big difference. I switched my all-day Saturday cleaning marathons to simple 5-minute resets. These tiny habits only take a few seconds, but they keep those little messes from becoming big ones and allow me to also keep a lot of those harsh ingredients out of our home. I stopped waiting until I have hours to clean. If I have 5 minutes, I'll do something small. And then I move on with my day with a little bit more joy. That simple shift has completely changed the way I feel about cleaning because I finally found some little systems that I can actually stick with. I spend far less time cleaning than I used to. I spend less money on the cleaning products, not because I'm working any harder, but because those little resets have made everything so much easier and less overwhelming than it used to be. And that's probably one of the biggest lessons I learned. Now, I may have been almost 50 before I learned that lesson, but creating a healthier home isn't about doing more or even spending more. It's about creating those simple systems that make everyday life just feel so much easier. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you again real soon.